Dear viewers, this is our hard work, and the true reward for our effort is your one subscribe. If you really enjoy our content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Your subscription gives us the motivation to bring you more such interesting and informative stories. Now, let's talk about the coin you are seeing on your screen. This is the 1953 Jefferson nickel. It is a U.S. coin featuring the portrait of America's third president, Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson was not only a key figure in the founding of the United States, but also the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. To honor his legacy, his image was placed on this coin. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, replacing the earlier Buffalo nickel. The coin was designed by Felix Schlag, who carefully crafted Jefferson's portrait. On the obverse side, Jefferson faces left, with the words, "In God We Trust," inscribed to the left and Liberty, 1953 to the right. On the reverse side of the coin, you will find Jefferson's famous home in Virginia. This historic building is considered a symbol of American heritage and remains an iconic landmark to this day. In 1953, these coins were minted at several U.S. mints, including Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each mint marked the coins with different mint, allowing collectors to identify where a particular coin was produced. As for its value, in circulated condition, it is generally worth around its face value of 5 cents. However, if the coin is preserved in uncirculated or proof quality, it can be worth several dollars to collectors. Such coins are not just pieces of metal, but treasures that carry history, culture, and pride of a nation. This coin reminds us how nations honor their heroes and preserve their legacies. The Jefferson nickel continues to be a part of American identity and holds a special place in the hearts of coin collectors. So friends, this was the story of the 1953 Jefferson nickel. If you enjoyed our effort, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, because your subscription is the true reward for our hard work. Encourage us so we can keep bringing you more fascinating stories like this.
Dear viewers, before we begin, a small request. Creating these videos takes a lot of effort, and the real reward for our hard work is your subscription. So please subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you more fascinating stories of rare and historic coins. Now let's talk about today's coin. This is the 1946 Jefferson nickel. On this coin, you can see the portrait of a very important figure, Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States, one of the founding fathers, and the principal author of the Declaration of Independence. The Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938, designed by sculptor Felix Schlag. On the front side of the coin is Jefferson's portrait, while the reverse side features his famous residence, Monticello. This particular coin belongs to the year 1946. Right after World War II, the U.S. Mint changed the metal composition of the nickel back to its original formula. During the war, nickel coins were made with silver, copper, and manganese because nickel metal was needed for military weapons. But in 1946, they returned to the traditional copper-nickel alloy. Millions of these coins were minted in that year, but today, only those preserved in excellent condition are considered valuable by collectors. So this coin is not just a piece of currency, it is a piece of American history and culture. If you own a 1946 Jefferson nickel in great condition, it is worth far more than just 5 cents. It is a true historical treasure. Viewers, before we begin, I have a small request. The only reward for our hard work is your subscription. Your subscribe is actually the true wage of our efforts. So kindly pay this wage of ours by subscribing to our channel right now. Now let's come to today's special coin. Friends, the coin you are seeing here is the Jefferson nickel from the year 1956. This coin has its own unique identity and an interesting history. On this coin, the portrait you see is of Thomas Jefferson, the third president of the United States. He was the author of the Declaration of Independence and one of the key figures who shaped the foundation of America. Jefferson is remembered as a man of knowledge, politics, and freedom. That is why his portrait was chosen for this coin. This coin is commonly called the Jefferson nickel because its value is 5 cents. The tradition of nickel coins in the U.S. began in the late 19th century, but the Jefferson nickel was first introduced in 1938. From then until today, it has been produced in different designs, but Jefferson's portrait has always remained on the coin. The 1956 Jefferson nickel is especially significant because it was minted in a time when America was moving toward prosperity after World War II. Coins of this era are considered a treasure for collectors today. On the front side of the coin, known as the obverse, Jefferson's portrait is clearly seen. Above it are the words, "In God We Trust," along with liberty and the date, 1956. These words reflect the religious and national beliefs of the American people. If we turn to the backside, known as the reverse, we see the image of Monticello, Thomas Jefferson's personal home. It still stands today in Virginia as a historical landmark. Below this image, the words "A pluribus unum" are written, meaning out of many, one, a symbol of unity among the different U.S. states. The 1956 Jefferson nickel was minted in different locations. Some coins have a D mint mark, meaning they were struck at the Denver Mint. Others have no mint mark, meaning they were produced at the Philadelphia Mint. These mint marks affect both the rarity and the value of the coins. Speaking of value, in normal condition, this coin is not very expensive. But if preserved in excellent, uncirculated condition, or if it has a special mint error, its price can go up to thousands of dollars among collectors. First of all, dear viewers, a small request. This is our hard work, and the true reward for this effort is your subscribe. So please support us by subscribing to the channel. Now let's move to today's story. The coin you see on your screen is the 1953 American Jefferson nickel. This coin is not just a piece of metal, but it carries with it the reflection of an entire era and history. On the front side of this coin, you can see the portrait of Thomas Jefferson. He was the third president of the United States and one of the main authors of the Declaration of Independence. His image reminds Americans of freedom, democracy, and the struggle for independence. On the reverse side, there is the Monticello building, which was Jefferson's home and also a symbol of his vision. This building still stands today as a mark of Jefferson's legacy and the greatness of American history. Now, let us talk about the year, 1953. This was the time when the world was still recovering from the effects of the Second World War. America was emerging as a new global power. The economy was rising, industries were booming, and America was taking a leading role on the world stage. Even the smallest coins of that time tell the story of people's daily lives and the progress of a nation. The Jefferson nickel, with its design and presence, shows how Americans honored their leaders by making them a part of everyday life. Today, this coin is considered a valuable treasure among collectors. It not only reminds us of Thomas Jefferson, but also gives us a glimpse into the America of the 1950s. So friends, this was the story of a small coin that holds within it the memory of a great era. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel so that we can continue bringing you more such historical stories.